Hello there. If you are watching this video, I suppose you are in EBF 1313 Management. So today or in this video, I would be explaining a little bit about the course as a whole. Now, the technical explanations with regards to the course outline and course plan that will be handled in class. So I'm not going into that in this video because the technical explanations with regards to the specifics in the course outline or course plan that will be taking too much time, and some of you might be finding it a little bit boring, I suppose. So today in this video, I will just be explaining the most important things in this course in management. Now, first and foremost, you need to get access to the textbook. The textbook is very important. Now, obviously, if you look at in the ELIP, and will be explained and demonstrated to you in class, I will be using a free textbook that is available from ELIP or directly from OpenStax. Just type the or access the OpenStax through Unimas library or directly by the website itself. It's not difficult to Google it, I suppose. OpenStax, and then search or type the title management. There you will find the free textbook. Now, management is a generic course. There are many textbooks uh, that has been produced or published for this course. Any kind of textbooks is good, and actually, for this course covers basically almost all of the chapters in the standard uh, management textbook, right? So basically, the main idea is for you to read almost all of the chapters. But if you want a specific breakdown according to the learning units, which chapters are covered for which link units or what, then refer to the ELIT and listen to what I am saying in class. But the main thing is that you need to read the textbook. Okay, that is very, very important. I have to emphasize this early in this course. Skipping the reading or being late in the reading will not do you good. So you have to read, spend time to read. My suggestion is that for every one chapter, it's basically 3 or 4 hours. 3 or 4 hours for every chapter. Okay, I leave it to you to do it or not to do it. After all, this is university. This is not a kind of a school anymore. But if you skip the reading, that will show in your results. Okay, so textbook is very important. Okay, keep up. Okay, there will be a midterm, and there will be time around the middle of the semester, because the name midterm itself, okay, mid-semester exam. So there will be a midterm exam, and at least at this stage, the midterm exam will be held via online through ELIT. Okay, so there will be a midterm. The key to optimizing the midterm marks will be for you to be active in the discussion, because here in my class I will not simply ask questions just for the sake of asking questions, or just to kind of hit you, okay, where you are in the weaker or weakest points. So if you pay attention, be active in the discussions, you will do well in the midterm. And of course, before that, make sure that you are keeping up with your readings. Right, so that is for the midterm. Okay. And then there will be assignments. So I forgot to tell you, okay, the midterm is, if some were to ask how many percent, that will be like 30%. Midterm is 30%. And the assignments plus presentation, that will be another 30%. The assignment itself will be weighted at 20%, presentation 10%. Okay, and the assignments and presentation, they are interrelated. Okay, the main idea of the assignment and presentation is for you to kind of use what you understand from your readings, okay, from this course, to enhance the performance of business organizations. And to do this, your assignment would require you to pick or choose one, okay, just one food and beverage outlet. Observe the F&B outlet. And then, from your understanding of the readings and from the lectures that you have attended in this class, suggest ways to improve the performance of basically the outlet or the organization. Another thing is that it is highly advisable that you choose a small F&B outlet, because these F&B outlets are normally observable. Okay, they are normally open for you as an outsider to observe. So you can start to decide which F&B outlets that you plan to observe. And these outlets must be in Kuching, to have a little bit fun in doing the assignment, okay, to kind of encourage you to go out and explore Kuching. There are so many outlets there in Kuching. You can observe anyone, okay. The full details, of course, will be explained as we go along, but that's the main idea, okay, as what I've been describing. So that's the assignment and the presentation, they come together, okay. Assignment or the report, the actual report, Word document, 20%, and the assignment, okay. And then you have to like also submit the PowerPoint uh, slides. And then for the presentation, you would submit a video, okay. Now classes are very big this semester, and of course for every semester the classes are very big, and to get you to present face to face, live, that is not actually practical. So to get over with that limitation of time, you are required to video your presentation. Okay, video your presentation and save the video in, preferably in the Microsoft 365 or Office 365, because you must subscribe to the services of Microsoft, and the data storage given to you is like extremely large. You can access it by accessing the Unimas email. Please do that. That is highly recommended. You will not have any storage problem if you take that option to store your video. But of course, if you wish to store it in Google Drive or any other server, that is fine. Okay, especially the Google. Okay, it's not a bad thing, but of course there will be limitations in terms of storage. The free version is of course limited. Okay, then you have to pay, okay, to get extra storage space. So it's highly recommended that you store your video, okay, in Unimas OneDrive, accessible from you or when you are kind of trying to open your email, you will access the Unimas OneDrive. Okay, I hope you understand. So that's for the assignment and presentation. Of course, more details will be provided as we go along. Okay, this is just a kind of overview of the important things. All right. So that will assignment and presentation will be 30%, and the largest prize will be the final exam. Final exam is 40%. Now, many of you, I suppose, are not too keen on kind of thinking about final exam early in the semester, but let me tell you, because we are in management, we have to plan, and it's best to plan things very early. More so when you know those things are coming. So final exam, how do you prepare for that? Again, the mode of preparation will be similar to that of the midterm, in which there will be discussions and then discussions on a case study will be provided to you. As I've been telling you, here in this class, there will be no surprises, no trick questions, etc., etc. Everything is there in front of you. What you see is what you get. As I've been telling you, this class is quite simple. Okay, work it out, provided that you are willing to spend time to invest in terms of time to read the chapters. Preferably you read the whole of the textbook. It's good for you, right? Reading the textbook, okay, it will improve your English language. Okay, be active in the discussions. The discussions will be held primarily in ELIP, but will be kind of run through in classes if we have time. Okay, that will be for the midterm and even for the final exam, right? Final exam will be based on the ELIP discussions. Okay, so I suppose that's basically the kind of important items for this course, right? And think about it. Okay, try to understand the things that have been said in this video. Please ask questions. If you don't, drop a question here or ask questions in class. I'll see you around. So all the best. Adios.